Zara Loves Momma, written by Dr. Sarela, illustrated by Zane on Cloud.
Love you, Mama, when you play with me. I love you, Mama, when you clean my ouchies. I love you, Mama, when you wipe my tears. I love you, Mama, when you scrub my ears.
I love you, Mama, when you drive me to school. I love you, Mama, you're so super cool.
I love you, Mama, you're so strong. I love you, Mama, you're so smart and never wrong. I love you, Mama, you buy my favorite boba iced tea.
I love you, Mama, you take care of us three. I love you, Mama, you make me feel secure.
I love you, Mama, your heart is so pure.
I love you, Mama, I sleep with you until I dream. I love you, Mama, you take me to eat ice cream.
You are the best Mama for me, I can't imagine life without thee.
Happy Mother's Day. Love, Zara, Zane, and Daddy.
Thanks for hanging out with us on Little Minds, Big Feelings, new videos every Saturday. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.